3, 2, 1, go!
And I see 3 robots on the red on the move, and looks like 2 or 3 on the blue as well. Adding up for those autonomous points, we got 15 on both sides. These teams trying to deliver their autonomous gear. We've got it on the Blue Alliance, up in place, and they've made it just in time in the autonomous period. That's an extra 20 points, plus the 40 for the rotor on the the Blue Alliance airship. And the Red Alliance has 1 rotor spinning as well. Blue Alliance just pulling ahead, thanks to that autonomous bonus. Over on the Red Alliance side, we've got both blue robots in their retrieval zone trying to grab a gear from their human player. 1700 Gator Robotics has it in their machine, and they're headed back over towards their airship trying to get that gear loaded up so everyone can get their gear. Rotor number 2 on the move. Looks like the Red Alliance, they have 2 or 3 more gears delivered. Here comes rotor number 2 on the Red Alliance airship. They're coming up to 95. They're now within striking distance of the Blue Alliance. Remember, these climbing robots are worth 50 points, so it could be anybody's game. 24-73 Gold Strikers bumping heads with the Wolverines as they exchange places, heading over to their retrieval zones. We've got 2 rotors on the red and 1 rotor on the blue. But here comes another gear up onto that blue airship. Looks like they're ready to get that second rotor on the move. Here comes rotor number 2 on the Blue Alliance airship. And we're coming it closer now, 2 and 2. But meanwhile, the Red Alliance, they've got their 3rd rotor spinning for another 40 points. Red Alliance up to 135 with just over 30 seconds remaining. Actually, 42 seconds remaining. It's still anybody's game. Here comes rotor number 3 on the Blue Alliance, and it's spinning with just over 30 seconds. There's some shots on the boiler from Stable Circuit, 6305. Loading up some fuel in that blue boiler. Looks like they got 2 of those fuel cells in. They got 3. That's 1 point of fuel, but we have 19 seconds left, and these robots are looking to climb aboard their airships. On the Red Alliance, we've got 1. They need to keep the button pushed, or else they're not going to be able to count as a board. Robot needs to stay in the air. There's 5 seconds remaining. 3 blue robots on their way up. Looks like 3 blue robots in the air. I got 1 red, 2 red. That red robot may have triggered just in. And here come those official scores. Crossing that finish line first is the Blue Alliance with a high score of the day of 356. Red Alliance 285. Very high scoring match.